Tunaanza na swali la 9
of the ladder which is supposed to reach the top of the vertical wall, which is 15-meter high. So we have a vertical wall which is 15-meter high, 15-meter wall. So this is our ladder, and the ladder is having length L. So we have to find the length of the ladder, where we were given that the foot of the ladder is at 60 meters away from the wall. So away from the wall, it means from the wall to the ladder is 60 meters. So principally, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem here. So if this is A, B, C, we are going to say that AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. So 60 square plus 15 square equals to L square. L square, that is 60 plus 225. L square will be taking 6 plus 5, 11. 3 plus 2, you get 5. You carried 1, so it will be 60. And then you have 261. So you're going to find the square root of 261, dear students. Having square root, having 61, 261 square root will be 16.16. So from here, L will be square root of 261 meters, and this will be 16.160 meters. So the length of the ladder is going to be 16.60 meters, dear students. We are going to jump to question number 9B.
Question number
and here the
10B.
question: the angle of elevation of the top of the pole from the point on the ground, which is 30 meters away from the foot of the pole, is 30 degrees. So angle of elevation from the top of the pole. So this is going to be the pole, and the angle of elevation from the top, angle of elevation from the top, an apology for rough sketch, angle of elevation from the top is 30 degrees. And we saw the angle of elevation of the top of a pole from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away. So a point on the ground is 30 meters away from the pole. Find the height of the pole. So we're supposed to find height. Leave your answer in SAT form. You're going to use definition of tan. So tangent 30 degree is opposite side over adjacent side. It is actually h over 30 meters, dear students. And so h will be 30 tangent of 30 degrees. It is 30 times square root of 3 over 3, which is 10 square root of 3 meters. So height of the post, height of the post is 10 square root of 3 meters, dear students. So that is solution for question number 9 in this exam. 10A ni swali ambalo linahusu topic ya set, wakati 10B ni topic ya statistics. Question number 10A here in the question, in a certain class, 16 students study physics, 18 students study mathematics, 5 students study both subjects, and 3 students neither physics nor mathematics. How many students are in the class? We can use actually Venn diagram to represent all these informations. So you have students who study physics and the students who study mathematics and the students who study neither of these subjects. So to indicate them, let this set present those students who are studying physics and this one those who are studying mathematics. 5 students study both mathematics and physics, but 16 students study physics, so 16 physics only will be 16 minus 5, which will be 11 here, and those who study mathematics were 18, so mathematics only will be 18 minus 5 will be 13, and we were informed that 3 students take neither physics nor mathematics, so they're going to be out of the 3 sets. So we are supposed to find the total number of students will be equal to, be taking 11 plus 5 plus 13 plus 3. Eventually we are getting 16 plus 13, you get 29 plus 2, 3, you get 32 students. So total number of students is 32 students. The following are the scores of Information and Computer Studies ICS examination done by how many students? By 50 students, or from 2 students in a certain school. We are supposed to find the value of y. So how do we find the value of y? We are going to add the total number of students. All these numbers here, summation is going to give you 50. So I'll be taking 60 plus y plus 3 plus 2y plus 3 plus y minus 2 plus 9 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2. Eventually, you'll be getting 50, dear students. So you're going to add, you'll be taking 60 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, you get 12. Then minus 1 plus 2, so plus 7. Then plus 9 will be 11, plus 11. So eventually you're getting 30. So you get 30 plus, I have 2y plus y will be 3y plus y again will be 4y equals to 50. So 4y will be 50 minus 30, and eventually we'll be saying that 4y will be equal to 20. Now when you divide by 4, upon division you are going to see the difference, and in the difference you are going to see that these two are going to give you the final feedback, and the final feedback, dear students, will be 20 over 4, which is going to be 5. So the value of y, is going to be 5. Coming to the last part, calculate the number of students who passed the examination if the pass mark was 50. So checking here, and we were told that the pass mark was 50. So I'll be taking 50 actually minus 60 here. You take 50 minus 60. We are going to exclude only those who are below the pass mark, and eventually you're going to get first time to be here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the coming session.